Seamless editing for you too. Start off again and this time speak louder. Talk louder.
Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. We are happy to have you here. I'm Tanisha and this is my awesome fiance,
Mr. Sheldon Awesome Shel.
Yes.
Yeah.
So tonight we're gonna play a game called Never Have I.
Alright guys, so we each have 2 placards. So we're going to ask a question and we will say I have never or
I have.
Okay.
So it's a very fun game, so let's get right into it.
Fun game guys, but disclaimer to her. Any questions that we ask here, they stay here and they do not leave this table. We just work with the question them, give it answers, and then we just say goodbye to this life here. Yeah, so we have the questions there, guys.
So we have gone ahead and write a bunch of questions on pieces of paper and cut them up. So what we're gonna do is just pick up a question and ask each other.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Fast now, so then go ahead and write it now. Jesus Christ, that question will come first.
What is it? What is it?
Never have I ever went to the bushes to do.
Seriously? I have to cover my face for this one.
Let us explain to the people. People,
Growing up in the country,
we grew up in the country, people.
Might happen, you know.
And when you have to walk 3 miles to go shop, people,
Yeah.
and all around you a be a bush, it's not like say you can stop at KFC or McDonald's or Burger King and go use them toilet. All you have on either side of you is bushes.
And you go shit in the bush.
No, it's doodle, baby, it's doodle.
Oh, I'm sorry.
So the most rational thing to do, guys, is to take yourself off the path
But
and go
we use my paper towel.
into the bushes. You know what we used to use.
Leave.
Guys, listen.
Those were the days.
Growing up, your parents used to teach you a lot of stuff. You know, it's like when you go in the country, you know a lot about different types of trees and what they are used for, their various functions. Now, yeah, mommy and daddy, they actually have some bushes that were safe to use and they were quite comfy, guys. So yes, we both have. Next question.
Okay, it's my time now to ask my question. Okay. Never have I ever lied to you.
So who can answer that first? Me or you? oh,
We both. Babe,
you have never lied to me?
explain that to me. What I lied to you with? Me never lied to you.
Babes, when I eat the food, I tell a lie, so I'm not chocolate. What again me do? Me tell a salad.
You eat our food?
That me want come early, come surprise you. And we will say, Madam Mandela, when we just out of stoplight or something.
Oh,
Then we put something there, yes.
But you would say like, see you in 20 minutes and within like 30 seconds it's like right at the gate. Like seriously?
Guys, you have to show up unexpected, you know.
Oh, yes.
You have to show up unexpected.
But yeah, expect something why you show up unexpected.
So you think, guys, sometimes you don't show up unexpected, and next time you tell her say you come, so you know. So what you say? You have never lied to me?
I don't remember lying to you, so I've never lied to you. Like,
Yeah, so you're perfect.
I've never lied to you. I don't remember doing that.
Alright then, people, she never lied to me, so. Never have I ever gone to my bed hungry. People, go back country.
Answer.
Oh shucks.
Enough time to.
Yeah, enough time. Yeah. People,
The struggle was real. Like,
in our country, struggling with real, you know. So one of them things then. Yeah, come, pick a question.
never have I ever gotten drunk at the club.
Yo, you have never?
No, I never get drunk yet.
Need
I
to carry,
feel nice.
need to carry out some more though.
I need to feel high, I feel nice, but I'm always conscious.
Alright people, so yeah, I have gotten drunk at the club already. But my brothers were there, so they were able to manage the scene. I brought my woman, you know. Sometimes but in family and thing, yeah. Oh yeah, I've gotten drunk at the club. Remember I said to you in my younger days I was a party animal.
But I was a party animal as well.
I guess you was probably smarter than me then. Just so you go. One day me and drunk is too.
You can try. Yeah, are you answer?
I mean if you asked that one day, now you asked a while ago. So, never have I ever felt shy to speak.
Many times. Even now.
Alright, I'm not shy still, but in the past, I have felt shy many times, my friends, but yeah, over the past couple of years, you know, I've gotten over that, you know. I'm the kind of person that will just chat. So you got me chat?
You chat now.
Yeah, she said people, I'm man chat enough. Lord of mercy. Alright, find out them and ask them.
Cheese on peas.
What do I want to say?
Never have I ever sneezed very loud in public.
People, that woman here have one loud sneeze. You know where she get it from. It loud,
When I sneeze, every head turn.
It loud.
Seriously?
But since Corona, guys, she has been keeping it down. As if she go around with that sneeze, then bug her same time and carry go up ministry. Because her sneeze, it bad, it loud.
Very loud.
Ministry sneeze that one day. Right today.
Read it.
Never have I ever gone to work without showering.
I have never.
You have never?
A woman name affiliated.
Let me explain this one, people. Sometimes you get up late for work. Well, the good thing about my work is that you can always shower at work. So you get up really late. Let's say work starts, you're supposed to be at work at 5 o'clock. And you never wake me up. And I get up and the clock I say 4:50. People, I'm gonna shoot out, head to work, and then use a shower at work. So I've actually left home, then showered at work. Yeah.
Okay. Never have I ever walk to school. Walk
People, that was fun.
miles, like 2 miles.
That was fun, guys. You know, growing up in the country, you know, junior high school was, in the country, schools aren't near. And growing up, I think for us kids, it was fun. You'll see like all 15, 20 of us just walk into school.
But back then we didn't have any choice. We have to walk.
Back then, you had like, in our area, like one main bus that would take you from point A to the point where school is at. And aside from the bus, you had taxis. But I guess we were taught growing up that it was okay to walk to school. And because we had other peers doing it, it was nothing for us.
Yeah,
we
it was
like,
fun because we
I call on 10, 15 miles to go to school, people. And them time we are jog it and we are race, we have competition to see who can reach a school the fastest. So it was fun. It was fun.
Never have I ever gone on a boat ride.
Tell me why you never gone on board.
I have, like seriously, I just remember. Yes.
Alright, people.
And it was scary. It was fun, but a bit scary when you go out there.
People, mine is by choice. I cannot swim. So whenever I go on trip, I say, listen, I will stay here, so I cannot swim. I'm not going out there. I am not going out there. Yeah, it was a couple of them, so. Never have I ever worn clothes that can't fit me. Alright, 2 things, people. Oh, shoots. Oh, if you answer it. Oh, okay. I have. Alright, explain for you.
Like when I'm pregnant and the clothing gets small, like the jeans pants and so forth. You're not gonna button the waist, so just tuck it in and you feel more comfortable. So
well, people, growing up, I wear big clothes and I wear tight clothes. And even right now, I have one tight shirt here because I think I'm gaining weight, guys.
I think.
Okay, well, it's like a muscle shirt, people. It's a muscle polo shirt. I put on a few pounds, it soon come off. But still look good. What's your muscle? Alright. Next question.
Never have I ever cheated on my spouse.
I don't know, I test it said yes. I test it said.
But me I change it up. Me I change it up. Answer the question. Okay. Okay, goodbye.
We're not changing up any more questions, honey. We're just gonna work what we wrote.
Okay.
Sure. So never have I ever been robbed. You're lucky. I was robbed.
I don't remember. I don't remember being robbed. No, thank God.
Alright, guys. So in my early years at my current job, walking along that straight road down to work, I remembered just walking and I heard sounds behind me and I was like, not paying no attention, and then suddenly this guy just right up beside me and just go in front of me and stop me and say, yo. Anyway, I am still here, guys. Praise the Lord.
Amen.
I just gave him what I had and then I just moved on and that was it. Yeah. Oh.
Never have I ever gone on a roller coaster. Nope.
People, I don't trust them something there. So I just allow them alone. Never have I ever gotten a jacket.
What kind of jacket? Jacket for you? Put on? Jacket clothes?
Guys, this is a question for men. Jacket mean picnic. Hi guys, so far I've got 2 kids and they look just like daddy. You know.
But I give you one jacket. Is that a jacket?
People,
You need to answer.
people.
You need to answer the question.
I said, oh, I have never gotten a jacket. Yeah, I've never gotten a jacket. My 2 kids look just like me, guys. Yeah, they got a hair and everything. Yeah. I know if it ever comes down to a DNA test, no worry, I might pick them. Never have I ever.
Never have I ever sleep in public transportation.
Means you pass a stop.
Yes. Yes, sleep past your stop. I have several times when I was a teenager.
I lucky they never took
I
me away.
sleep past my stop, take something else, and sleep past my stop again, and take something else, and try to catch up my eyes something about stuff.
You know, say, but no, you couldn't that way, you have to learn.
Yeah.
I don't want to take a woman, you know.
But I mean, I was sleeping for one my teenager.
When people tell me to get over it, you know, some nice just never sleep on this. I think it happened to me a few times. But we ain't perfect, guys. I'm not tired to sleep. Never have I ever been in a fight.
I have. I remember in 8th grade,
And you lose, right?
I mean, she put me in drop. Well, I don't think I
You know,
lose,
like somebody can
but
fight.
my ball and she put me.
So you win or you lose.
So me don't know.
Even
I
she
don't know
feels that
who
she
did I
knows people.
judge.
She didn't. She's not fighting her. Alright guys, for me, last time I was in a fight was in grade 4. And some of you might can relate to this. When you're growing up in primary school, you normally play a game called karate game. But ours got serious and it turned into a fight. It was my brethren, you know. And I like he beat up the backside. But that was the last time. You know, I try my best to avoid conflict people. I'm not a conflict guy, I'm a peace-loving person. So
Me too.
if you want to start a fight with me tomorrow morning, it never happen. Yes, me and you fight a different fight. Can't talk about that by yourself. Yeah. So, yeah. We have one question?
No, that's the last one.
I think that's almost about right. Or never have I ever kissed on the first date. Trying to recall. People, I'm not sure.
I want you to put up.
I'm not sure.
I want you to put up.
Alright. Let me put up this seal for one. I think I have never. Wait up.
I have never.
Oh, man, you kiss on the second and third date?
I don't remember, but it's not the first. I know you don't trust me so easily.
Okay. Yeah, people, man, not gangster, man, not going to try to get an idea on the first date. You know, she feel like, say, oh, man, I'm thirsty. So, yeah, never happened on the first date. Long after. Long.
You like that?
Alright, never have I. Oh, that's usually 2 times. Okay. What? No. Thank you guys for tuning in and watching.
Thank you guys for, being here with us.
Thank
Remember to like if you like the video and subscribe. Leave a comment if it was fun. We love reading your comments,
guys.
and see you in the next video.
Right. So far, we're loving the support from you guys. So what we have committed to as a couple is to keep putting out videos for you guys. And give your comments, give your feedback, and we will do our best to make things happen.
Yep.
Peace out.